Merry Christmas. We've made it to day 25 of my 31 uploads in 31 days. And today I'm showing you guys my planner lineup for 2025. This is the book Deluxe planner. It came with the receipt and also the reminder to like tag them in your content. It was $65. It comes with the matching pen, and the book weighs, I think I weighed it about 3.5 pounds. It's really thick. So in the front and the back, it has the pockets not pockets, I guess envelopes, or it could be pockets also. First page, just a congratulations, a message to the customer, and a sheet of stickers for the planner. I actually still have all my stickers from my last year planner, so I'm going to use it this year in both, from this one and the old set. The first page is where you put your name and the return to if you happen to lose it, but this is so thick I don't see you losing it. That's the breakdown of the planner itself. 2025 and 2026 calendar. Over here, the holidays. And here are book suggestions for you to read. I have to look through them and see which ones I like. Then here you put your professional goals and personal goals. This is a goal worksheet and then a bucket list bingo on this side. Then you can put a vision board on this page right here and the illustrations for each month. Really pretty. These are February, already past January, obviously, March, April, my birthday month, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Now, the back, they have some pages for notes. I think it's about 4 or 5 sheets. And for each month, the breakdown would be this is how your monthly calendar looks. Then you have 2 pages for notes. Then you have a page for your goals and then your bills, like just for budgeting and financial planning. Right here, it's the 4 weeks for meals, and the other side is for your grocery list. Each page is per day. So that's why the book is so thick. So Monday through Friday, you get a full page, and then they have the daily time blocks breakdown for each day. And then Saturday and Sunday, share a page with like a little notes section on the end. I'm obsessed with these books. So I think every year they're going to be my planner of choice. Then I found this like notebooks just to take notes, $4.99 at TJMaxx. And this is a really light, the sheets are really thin in this planner, but I purchased this one just for my content creation. And that's how the monthly and weekly pages look. Enough space to write down your ideas and your post. This was $9.99 at TJ Maxx. And then I always also found this $6.99 desk calendar. It's 17 months, started August of this year, goes to December of 2025. And I'm gonna keep this on my desk just as reminders each night of what task I gotta do the next day. So these four are gonna be my breakdown for the new year. And hopefully I stay organized. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next post.